Okay, we're gonna see how Penelope likes her first taste of food. Rice cereal. Mmm. Not so much? She's looking at me like, why are you doing this to me? What is this?
It's some. That?
You want some? And here's her sister. She wants some. Whoa. Wait, you gotta move. We gotta film sis. No, you're in the camera view. Here, look. You see? See sis? Let's try it again. Some? Don't touch. No, Giada. No.
Dada.
Alright. Oh, look, sis has her spoon all to herself.